SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to create a shared photo album on an iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. The Photos app on your iPhone gives you the option to create a shared album. What this means is that you can create a custom album, then start adding pictures to it. You can also allow other people to view the pictures in that album and add pictures of their own. You can create a shared album on your iPhone Photos app by opening the Photos app. You can then select the Albums tab at the bottom of the screen, and then you can tap the plus button at the top left corner of this screen. Now you can select the New Shared Album option, and then you can type a name for that shared album into the text field there. Once the shared album name is entered, you can touch the Next button at the top right corner, and then you can start adding contacts or email addresses or phone numbers for the people with whom you would like to give access to this shared album. Once you have added one of those contacts, then you can tap the Create button at the top right corner of the screen, which is going to create that shared album and give other people access to it as well.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.